everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank IGBC for bestowing this honor on us, and you always feel very charged up, and such acknowledgements add as a fuel to the passion which you are pursuing for the larger good. I represent IIFL Home Loans. We are an affordable housing finance company which is very passionate about affordable housing in India, especially under the flagship program of the Prime Minister, Housing for All. And we have taken it as our mission statement for maximizing providing homes to the Indians. We are an organization which also is very tech enabled, and we believe technology provides ease and reach for the customers, and who can be reached out and we can give them home loans. Another aspect of our business is to have financial inclusion. We aim to give loans to people which otherwise might not very easily find credit from other financial institutions. So that's another endeavor to make the dreams true for the people who deserve the most. Under the Housing for All program, we have been able to give subsidy to over 1,000 crores to more than 43,000 customers. And we thank our regulator, National Housing Bank, which has been providing us great support. We, during the course of last couple of years, we felt the need for green affordable housing. And this was something, a moment of truth came to us from our investors, which is CDC, which made us realize about the ESG and the green housing concept, which was very relevant. And once we got deeper into this subject, we realized that there was a lot of deficit of knowledge and information and myths around this green affordable housing. So we created a property, namely Kutum, which was a kind of a knowledge sharing platform, which had the target audience for the majorly the affordable housing developers, and which had very illustrious names of architects to enable people to understand how to design, and also how the green certification process is supposed to happen. So we introduced a concept of a green value partner, and which are people who are well qualified in an organization who have help and enable the developers to walk through the complete journey of getting their projects actually green certified. So as of now, we have nearly 35 projects under management under the GVP program, and we wish to have about 50 to 60 projects at the end of the year, and about 100 projects next year. So I'm sure this might be a very small endeavor, but we wish to take this to a next level and make it much more meaningful impact. And IGBC has been a great partner with us, and they have an amazing reach and ease of certification as well. It's been a fabulous journey, and we wish to continue this even further. And finally, once again, I would like to thank IGBC and especially Mr. V. Suresh, who has been a great inspiration. Thank you.